In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email forwarding in Google Workspace. We'll create a simple, reliable rule in the admin console so messages sent to a specific mailbox are automatically delivered to one or more additional addresses. You'll need an administrator account for your organization to do this. Start by signing in to the Google Admin Console. From the homepage, open the Apps section, then go to Google Workspace. Here, select Gmail to access the service level settings that control delivery and routing for your domain. In the Gmail settings menu, look for default routing. This is where we can add a rule that forwards messages while still letting Gmail deliver them normally. Choose Configure to create a new rule. In the rule editor, find the area labeled Single Recipient. Enter the exact email address whose incoming mail you want to forward. This tells Google Workspace which mailbox to watch for incoming messages. Be sure the address is spelled correctly and belongs to your domain, since this field defines the scope of the rule. Next, scroll down until you see the section called Also Deliver To. This is the forwarding part. Click Add More Recipients, then type the email address or addresses that should receive a copy of the messages. You can include internal team members or approved external addresses, depending on your organization's policies. If you need multiple recipients, add them one by one so each gets a copy. Below that, open the Options area. Select the setting to perform this action on both recognized and non-recognized addresses. Recognized addresses are valid user or group mailboxes in your domain. Non-recognized addresses might be typos or legacy aliases that no longer exist. Choosing both ensures the rule applies consistently, so mail is forwarded as intended even if the original address changes or is misentered. Before saving, quickly review your entries. The single recipient you're targeting, the list of additional recipients, and the options you chose. When everything looks correct, click Save. The new routing rule will be added to Gmail's delivery settings for your organization. Changes in the admin console can take a little time to propagate, though they often apply within minutes. Once active, Gmail will continue normal delivery to the original mailbox and also send copies to the additional recipients you specified, giving your team seamless visibility. If you ever need to adjust or remove the rule, return to Gmail's default routing settings in the admin console and edit it there. And that's it. Your Google Workspace email forwarding is set up and ready to go.